Back, ladies and gentlemen, it is today. We are at 2 o'clock, Wednesday the 11th of May. As you can see, the hedge here needs cutting. Joe, local gardener, is going to come and do it tomorrow, so I'm looking forward to get some shape back to it. Also going to get him to weed down here, all the way on the bottom. But if you can just see down here, we had some rain last night, which is great. Saved me some money on my water bills. If you come down here, just starting to rain. But we have, these are covered in lily beetles, so I'll spray these tomorrow when Joe's been and done the hedge. See one there, it's in the little sunsows. Next to that we have our perennial geranium. We have our hollyhocks. This is a tree lily with beautiful flowers on it when it does flower. Come round here, fuchsia, just starting to get some flower buds on it now, which is great. Come down here, aquiledias, which are looking absolutely gorgeous. Some more hollyhocks. Come round here, we have our daylilies, hostas. Look at that there, that lupin, looking absolutely amazing. Next, some tree lilies. Just see here, this is when you can tell you've got lily beetle. Little bite marks out of the leaves. Some phlox here, some white scented phlox, always nice. Just have a quick look at what everything's doing. We come around here, primulas isn't starting to go now, but it's starting to get covered up. Some more aquiledias. Like a big star, absolutely amazing. And we have a look at the damage on that lily there. And the lily beetle just in the background. So now, I have this carnation, which is a white carnation, which is beautiful. Some more primulas, and look at this lupin. Look at that slug and snail damage there, just on the tip, which is a bit disappointing. But look at the amount of flower buds on that, which is going to be great when it starts flowering. Then we have my Papaver somniferum, puppy. Next, some foxglove, some digitalis. Then we have my perennial carnation, perennial geranium, which is absolutely amazing. Look at the colour on that in the water. So we come round here, some more hostas, some Japanese anemones. These are one of my favourite peonies. The ants are just on there. I absolutely love the sap that comes out of these. But these, I'm going to have several. Yeah, these have several flower heads, so I'm really looking forward to them. It's just started raining now, so we'll get through this quickly as we can. Some more columbines, some aquiledias, hollyhocks at the back there as we come down, hostas, these dwarf delphiniums with a nice fuchsia at the back there. There we have my first flowers, my peonies. They're absolutely amazing. Look at the flowers on those, epic, pretty gorgeous. Then we have under my tree here my hollyhock with my lupins, peony, sorry, with my clematis. This is my oriental poppy, Diane Joyce, with the bluebells at the back there. Then we have some more perennial geraniums, some more columbines, some hollyhocks. And then this beautiful oriental poppy, it's going to be a lovely red, which is going to be great. We come down here. These are all looking really good now. Just get a close up on those columbines there. Absolutely outstanding. Just love the colour there. And then we have Bleeding Heart with some Icelandic poppies. This is definitely one of my best peonies so far. I mean, look at the size of those. It's going to be absolutely amazing. Forget-me-nots at the bottom there. Then we have some Delphiniums that will grow from seed last year. Hopefully they're going to flower well. That one's been damaged by the cats. Another lupin. Another dicentra. And we'll come on, bearded iris. Just starting to get the flower heads on them now. That's a nice flower head there. Next to a hollyhock. Some more columbines. Easter bonnets. Aquiledias. With the delphinium at the front. See the hanging baskets up there, looking great. And my vertical planter. Have a look at those when we get round to them. Another lupin. It's going to flower lovely. And then we have here, this called Lucifer, absolutely on fire, next to a bearded iris. This lovely corner, I've got forget-me-nots, several Easter bonnet, Equilegias. As we come round here, I have my pots. These are my beautiful red begonias from last year. They're all plug plants from Thompson & Morgan. They've been left in the pot to dry out over the winter. I started watering just after Christmas, and look at them now. No, I haven't put any new compost in it except for another top disc with about an inch on top to refresh everything. And as we come round here, we have first hanging basket, which has got pelargoniums in the middle with a line of begonias and then a circle of petunias. I'm just putting all these up as well. This is the third year they've been growing these, and I'm surrounding these with petunias. These agapanthus, hopefully these agapanthus are going to flower this year. At the back there we have, these are cosmos. They've been pinched out. I put that there just so it's going to get some rain on it. As we come down here, marigolds with violas, which are absolutely amazing. The dahlia in the middle, surrounded by some petunias. And round here, some more violas. Cornflowers, a pot full of dahlias here, which are going to be great. More agapanthus. And this one with the marigolds, petunias, cafe au lait dahlia in the middle, with sweet peas, with the wigwam for the sweet peas, which is going to be great. Just sending out some new shoots now after being potted on. And then my beautiful vertical planter here. These petunias were from last year. They've been grown on the greenhouse, so that is going to be absolutely stunning. Then we come round here. We have my my Papaver somniferum, which is starting to send out the main shoot. And we come round here a little bit more. My beautiful clematis. Just going to get past my silver birch tree here. I'm going to show you this here. Look at the flowers that are going to be on there. Absolutely amazing. And then we have agapanthus there. They're all going to get potted on. With my peonies in pots. Agapanthus. And then this terracotta pot here. Sweet peas that are taking off like rockets now, which is great. Just get that one over there. Surrounded by petunias with a couple of poppies in the middle. So yeah, that's about it today. If you like my videos, please subscribe, folks. Please give me a like. Thank you very much for watching, everybody. Please keep safe, and thank you. Bye.